Hello, everyone. Hey, I was building a Memberium Umbrella account feature, a parent-child account feature, and I thought I'd share with you the new shortcode that Memberium's released that allows you to give the administrator a peek into what's happening in the child accounts. So after you've given a child account access, you can provide a link that then shows you all the information about that child's progress through the LearnDash courses. So let me share my screen here. So here's an example. I've got this one guy, Jason. He's the child. This is just a real simple course. This is going to be more elaborate when we get going. But the person has 2 lessons as part of this course 1. And as you can see, they've already marked the lesson complete. The status is showing there as check and check. Now, I'm here as George, and I'm the parent. I've given them access. And so here's manage my members. And I've given Jason access. So typically, we'll create this with first name, last name, email. This is a blank phone number, and then a disconnect. But with this new API, we link, or with the shortcode, we link to a page. I'm calling the page student progress. The link needs the contact ID of the person, the child account. And then it basically, you put a shortcode on this page and it shows you what's going on. So this person has completed 2 out of the 2 steps, and this is the date when it all happened. And this happens just using the shortcode. So, this is really straightforward. So let's go under the cover and see exactly how it is that I got this to work. Okay, so to save time, I logged out, and now I'm logged in as the administrator. So let me go to the My Accounts page. This is the page as it was before. This Manage My Members is going to take me to this page. Now, because I'm the administrator, I don't see anything. It won't show me anything. But I want to go into the page so you can see what's going on in here. So I'm using the Umbrella List Children shortcode. This creates a loop for me from here to here. And then you see I can use the mem contact. And instead of using the regular mem contact, I'm passing it a contact ID. And in this case, actually, there was no phone number. I was doing some testing. Let me fix that. So I'm showing first name, last name, then I'm showing the email field, then I'm showing the phone number, and then I'm creating this link. So this is standard stuff that you use with the list children. But if I go over here, you can see that I'm creating a link to a new page. So I'll show you the page in a moment. That's the student progress pass. I'm passing it a parameter, and then I'm making a link out of it. So this is pretty simple. This is standard HTML. I'm just passing the contact ID so that the next page can have it. And there's your disconnect button. So let me get out of here. I'll back up a step. Hold on a second. Let me save that because I did make a small change. And then let me back out of here. And now I'm going to go to my student progress. And, in here, this is giving me this because I'm the administrator, but let's see how I built this page. And you'll see that it's really simple. All I have to do is provide this, and because I passed the contact ID from the previous screen, this shortcode can identify it, and it sends it displays the information for that contact ID, which the assumption is it's a child account. Now, I'm going here to the documentation for Umbrella LD for LearnDash course info. And here's, if I could open this up a little bit. This one. There you go, now I can see it. So this is a prettier version. We're going to pretty our version up later, but you can display exactly what the person is doing. So in here you see they're not started, but here they've completed it, and here they've completed 1 out of the 5 steps. So the administrator can look in and see, hey, is this person using the account? Maybe I ought to give them a call. Maybe they're stuck, maybe they're too busy. If it's a course that's for compliance reasons, they can come up and use this as the receipt saying, look, this person completed, 2 out of 2 or 5 out of 5. So this can be used for a lot of different reasons, but the implementation is very straightforward using these new Memberium shortcodes.